So that's getting the tires changed from the stock Seat to the RALCO Motocross. Another very important aspect to good off-road riding is to have the right tire. And so this is the Nobi tire from RALCO, the RALCO Motocross. Comes as a tube tire, so the tube is included in the package. Retails for 2250, and in my opinion it's a solid tire. I've been using them for about 10, 12, 13,000 kilometers now or more, and I've swapped 3 sets in this period. Fantastic off-road tires. So that's the RALCO Motocross all fitted and ready. Man, the bike is already starting to look kick-ass. This is definitely going to be one bike that he's going to appreciate and hold on to for a really long time. Now for the rear. All is well with Arun's rims, because it's just barely around 4,000 kilometers. So the rim and the rim tape, everything is in good condition. So this is the RALCO Speed Blaster. Don't really recommend this tire to anyone, is because I haven't tested it yet. Just going to put this on the motorcycle and give it a try for the first time. This is a directional tire. There is a there you go. The arrow mark is here, so you ought to know which side is the driving side to align the tire to the rim, to the wheel, so that you know that you are headed in the forward direction. So this is a directional tire, just letting you know. So 120/80/17, please. 120/80/17 versus 120/90/17. There will be a difference in the height of the tire. The profile of the tire will be slightly smaller. There would be a difference of about 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeters. The tire will definitely be slightly smaller looking compared to the Seat 120/90. I will have to dismantle all of this, lube it up. Take care of this area, guys. Take care of this. This is the most important thing, especially if you want a very good handling motorcycle. Remove all these links, lube it up, shove things back in, and this is a fantastic motorcycle ride off-road. That's the RALCO Speed Blaster on the Himalayan. In some time from now I'll be able to give you a review, but this is the first the first attempt on Arun's motorcycle, my friend's motorcycle. So let me give this a nice try on off-road terrain, and then I will get back to you on how this performs. But for now, this was a very good cheap option. Hard tire, and so I went with it. And that's how the bike looks. Another mod done and dusted. Both the tires. It's an aggressive looking motorcycle now. No doubts about that.